All right, my friends, so just like you just discussed, sometimes when you try to use the elimination method, things don't eliminate. Therefore, that leads us into example 2 when we have to understand equivalent systems of equations. And we basically have to force stuff to eliminate. And we do that by manipulating and using equivalent systems. So let's go over the steps for example number 2. So example number 2, we are going to, step 1, manipulate one or both. So sometimes you only have to manipulate one, sometimes you have to manipulate both of the equations using multiplication. So that one variable has opposite coefficients. So therefore things will cancel out. That's what that means. Step 2 is going to be the same as it was in example 1. You're going to add the equations together to eliminate a variable. You're still going to solve for the variable that remains. And then step 4, you're going to substitute that value back into one of the other equations. Pick your favorite one. And then step 5, write your answer as an ordered pair, just like last time.